Imagine waking up at 40, broke, tired, and trapped in a job you hate. Not because you weren't smart, but because you didn't start investing early enough. Yeah, that one decision in your 20s can either set you free, or bury you in financial stress. But here's the good news. If you're watching this, you're already ahead of 90% of your peers. You're here because you want more. More freedom, more money, more choices. Imagine if you could invest thousands of dollars every year, and never pay taxes on the gains. That's exactly what a Roth IRA lets you do. You invest with after-tax money, it grows tax-free, and you withdraw it tax-free in retirement. It's like giving your future self a gift without a receipt. Then there's the 401k, often matched by employers. That's literally free money most people ignore. Don't be most people. Missing out on these accounts could cost you hundreds of thousands by retirement. Okay, you've chosen what to invest in. You've picked the right account, but how much should you actually invest? And how often? This is where 90% of beginners mess it up. The secret to building long-term wealth? Consistency over intensity. That's where dollar-cost averaging comes in. Instead of throwing $5,000 into the market once and stressing about timing, you invest a fixed amount every month, regardless of what the market is doing. So yes, you can stop checking the market every 10 minutes like a crypto day trader with anxiety. Over time, this strategy averages out the ups and downs, reducing your risk and your stress. Start with $100 a month, increase as you grow. That's it. Because this isn't just about numbers. It's about building a life with freedom. But consistency only works when you manage your emotions. And that's the final, most overlooked key. The market goes up. The market crashes. Your biggest enemy isn't Wall Street, it's you. Most beginners panic sell during dips and FOMO buy during peaks. That's how fortunes are lost. Wealthy people, they stay calm, play the long game, and trust the process. The stock market is like a roller coaster. You only lose if you jump off mid-ride. The best investors aren't the smartest, they're the most patient. Investing is emotional mastery disguised as math. Now, what if I told you that the best way to manage your investments and finances together is using one simple tool? Investing isn't reserved for the rich, it's how the rich become rich. And it's how you can build your own version of freedom. Start small, stay consistent, focus long-term. Now if you want to manage your investments, track your spending, and stay financially organized all in one place, you need to check out my next video on QuickBooks, where I break down how to use it for effortless money management. Go ahead and click on that video right here on the screen. Your future self is waiting.